The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Burlington County in western New Jersey, northern Camden County in western New Jersey, northern Gloucester County in western New Jersey, northern Salem County in western New Jersey, northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an extremely large, violent and deadly tornado was located over King of Prussia, moving southeast at 75 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: multiple homes, businesses, and skyscrapers will be decimated beyond repair. Locations impacted include King of Prussia, Wayne, Bluebell, Ardmore, Drexel Hill, Willow Grove, Philadelphia, Deptford, West Deptford, Pittman, Glassboro, Washington Township, Gloucester Township, Voorhees Township, Cherry Hill Township, Morristown, and Cinnaminson. Take cover now. I repeat, take cover now. You will not survive above ground. Repeating, a tornado warning has been until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem, and the following counties in Delaware: Newcastle.
This is Fox 29 News with a shocking report coming out of Philadelphia. An extremely large and violent tornado was located just north of Philadelphia and is headed straight for downtown Philadelphia as we speak. Like this thing is massive, like the 2013 Bridge Creek tornado in Oklahoma massive. I think we might have to take cover. We do not have a news correspondent out there due to the conditions. Do not wait to hear or see the tornado. Wait, what of that? Holy crap, I see the tornado. Good lord, it's massive. I need to get to the safe room now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service and the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. Governor Josh Shapiro, along with President Donald Trump, have declared a state of emergency for the Philadelphia metropolitan area. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an extremely large and deadly tornado struck the Philadelphia metropolitan area, leaving nearly nothing left after the tornado. Reports say that the damage is comparable to if a nuclear bomb went off or was never built. Multiple landmarks like the Liberty Bell, Independence Hall, Memorial Hall, Edgar Allan Poe House, First and Second Banks of the United States, and the Betsy Ross House have been either severely damaged or wiped off the map. It is likely the entire city of Philadelphia will take decades to rebuild. Stay tuned for more updates on this terrible situation.